Hey, I'm Matthew from Baratza Support. In this video, I'll show you how to safely remove the quick release knob from your Encore ESP for cleaning and maintenance. Over time, it may become a little snug from regular use since it tightens as you grind. But don't worry, we'll walk you through the removal process step by step. To start things off, you'll need something soft to help keep the comb burr steady. Examples include a washcloth and optionally, an eraser or cork. A set of pliers is especially helpful if you have trouble removing it by hand. Before performing any maintenance, make sure there are no beans remaining in the grinder and unplug the grinder from the power outlet. Rotate the hopper counterclockwise until it aligns with the arrow next to the grind setting 40, then lift it straight out the grinder. Lift out your rubber gasket and using the two tabs on the burr holder, lift the ring burr straight up and out of the grinder. To remove the quick release knob, turn it clockwise until it unthreads completely. Note that this is the opposite direction in which you would normally remove a screw. This is so that the knob can tighten itself as you grind. Often, this can be done by hand, especially if you remove it regularly for cleaning. If the knob is difficult to remove because it is spinning the burr, hold the cone burr in place by using a soft cloth or by inserting an alternative soft item, like an eraser or cork. Protecting the knob with a towel, you can also use pliers from the side, using a quick torque motion, clockwise. You should then be able to turn it normally until it unthreads completely. The quick release knob has now been removed. You can proceed with cleaning the comb burr or continue with additional maintenance. When reinstalling, thread the quick release knob counterclockwise and tighten until the comb burr begins to rotate with the knob. It should only be finger tight. Then add your ring burr and holder and the gasket back into the grinder, followed by the hopper. And that's it. You've successfully removed and reinstalled the quick release knob from your Encore ESP. If you have any questions, reach out to Baratza Support via the support tab on baratza.com. Thanks for watching. Happy grinding. Baratza. We grind, you brew.